Ambassador in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia greeting you right now. Fellow youth leaders, respected mentors, welcome guests, parents, friends, judges, good evening. Buenas noches. Bonsoir. Magandang gabi. Sabahang Noor. Good evening again. 7 different languages. Yes, my fellow youth leaders, 7 different languages that I have to learn and to speak fluently in order to me to be qualified as the Philippine ambassador. It has been my dream that one day I will represent my beloved Philippines to different nations. But how can I realize it? I believe that before realizing a dream, I must work for it. How can we do that? Just try to work hard to fulfill your dreams. I remember one of the greatest leader has said, never give up. Never, never give up. Try and try until you succeed. I also would like to share some few instruments to achieve it. As for my dream to become an ambassador, I have to use these following. First, right and good education. We must take up at least one of the following courses such as political science, foreign service, public service, government reforms, and similar relevant courses. Relevant courses. We must be knowledgeable and intelligent in order to lead. Number 2. Good communication and leadership. A diplomatic or an ambassador must be articulate and must have good cooperation and leadership skills. That's why I joined the TFC Kids Leadership Program. Do not forget the 7 different languages. And number 3, and the last one, integrity,
Character
and integrity. He must be honest, dedicated, compassionate, committed, and responsible person and leader. He must be God-fearing person so we can be an inspiration to a good example to our people. To become an ambassador, it's not an easy task. It's not an easy dream. But we can achieve it. I believe that there is nothing impossible if you really want to achieve your dreams. Look at Ambassador Villamor and some other people. They started as nobody and become somebody. I wish I could be like Ambassador Villamor someday. But for the meantime, let me first graduate in grade 6 this coming March 24. Who knows? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 years from now, Abdullah, yours truly is the real ambassador. Back to you, President Light.